Here's what conditioning is. You're born to this world and your brain is an amazing machine that is able to analyze lots of data and makes you able to stand and survive in this world. That's what its main mission is. I mean, every living being is here to survive, even a single cell. So you would take a basketball ball, right, when you're a kid, and you would hit it on the ground. Oh, it comes back. Well, if you know from the physics books, you can actually write a lot of data on that very action. You could analyze it, you can math, and you would have like lots of books on it, right? But your brain does just know. It's just like, okay, I'm hitting it and it should come back to my hand, and you just keep doing it. And my brain doesn't go on, okay, this might not fall. It already knows. You don't put it in a sentence, but as filmmakers, we need to, because otherwise how am I gonna explain what resonates between me and you, right? So I need to put rain there, and I need to know what rain does to you, so I can put rain there in the movie on the white screen, so you feel that way. So I need to know what makes you feel what as filmmakers. Let's say the dog is barking. So there is positive feedback and there's negative feedback. The positive would be giving a treat every time he barks. So every time that he pisses on the ground in the house, you get angry, bad dog. And then every time it stretches, then you pet it and you take it out. Then there's no punishment. So the dog does understand that if I piss on the floor inside the house, then I get a punishment. If I do this, I get treated well. That's what it understands. Here's how we use conditions, pre-conditioned things. Human brain is an amazing thing, right? So it collects all this information and implies meaning to those. So you know that when it's raining, you feel dark. You know it, but you don't say it. 90% of the people don't say this as a sentence in their lifetime. I hope I made the conditioning clear and how it's being used on the screen. Let's say in the movie Matrix, Neo touches that mirror and he wakes up in Matrix in a mother's womb. Interestingly enough, the image looks like a mother's womb where he reborn. I just placed it in a sentence. You actually knew that it was a newborn. Your subconscious didn't reject that information, right? When you're watching the movie, it just made sense. It just felt natural. That's how you use that.